Hello everyone, I'm Ember November with My Ugly Kitchen. In my last video, I showed you guys how to make homemade bread. But now the question is, what to do with this homemade bread? I'm going to give you 3 ideas of what you could make with your new homemade bread. Number 1 is a very simple one. It's toast, but not just any toast. This is with maple, brown sugar, cinnamon, cream cheese. No joke. Do some good stirring action, press it in, make some nice, thick, amazing cream cheese. Lay it on top. Amazing little snack for the morning with some coffee. Number 2 is pretty simple as well. Grilled cheese with tomato soup. Butter those outsides of the bread, put in some cheese, get your griddle or your pan or whatever, fry it up. Warm up some tomato soup. Oh, nothing like grilled cheese and tomato soup on a cold fall day. Number 3, open face meatball sandwiches. My husband makes these and he makes it so amazingly, like, oh my word. For the meatballs, you get your burger, so you tear off pieces of bread and mozzarella, as well as whatever spices you want. Pepper, oregano, cayenne, whatever you want. Mix it in there. Make meatballs. Make sure you bake those meatballs first, and then put the meatballs on the bread, mozzarella on the meatball, and then we just use pasta sauce drizzled over the top and bake it. So freaking good. It seriously will warm you up so much. So there you have it. 3 quick, basic, simple meals you can make with your fresh homemade bread. Let me know if you have any other ideas or if you tried these ones. Alright, you guys have a great and tasty day.